morning, welcome back to Satellite Lake. What I got for you today is a flight of the Hubsan H111 Nano Q4. I did my first flight of this the other day and I was very impressed with how it could fly, especially at its higher rates. It's one of the few quadcopters I could see that potentially could handle wind. The CX-10 from Hubsan can handle wind up to about 5 miles per hour, but real wind, we're talking like 15 knots, 20 knots, I think this actually can do it. That's what I'm going to do today. We're out here at Satellite Lake. It's a real windy day, and I want to fly this thing in this wind to see if it can handle it. So let's go for a flight. I'm going to have to set it to intermediate or expert mode, obviously, to fight this wind, but let's see if it can do it. So I'm going to start right here from the pits. Here, we'll launch it right from this table. Turning on the quadcopter. Turning on the transmitter. Okay, it's bound with the quadcopter. Going to high. Actually intermediate. Okay, that's high. Just checking. Intermediate. And what do you know? Let's go out into the field. Can't fight this one. Oh, thing's blowing backward. I'm going to go to high. Back to intermediate. High just turns too fast for me. Here we are in a 15 knot wind. I have to go to high. It's the only way to fight this wind. But yes, it can fight it. I got to get accustomed to flying at high because that high yaw rate, it comes with high. Okay, letting it blow back. Try to bring it closer so you can see it. Yes, this can fight a wind. Very strong wind, folks. Seems to be able to do it. We're about 15 knots right now. So that means this quadcopter is capable of flying 15 to 20 knots, 20 miles per hour. Okay, that wind blew that way down there. Let's go get it. It was flying with the wind. I lost orientation there momentarily. Let's make sure everything's okay. Everything's okay. Doing it again. Get back here. Okay. Running with the wind. This time, I'm going to be gentle with the yaw. Getting a lot of running in here today, folks. That's okay. Need a little more exercise anyways. It's picking up some kind of yaw from that wind. Okay, I think I need to do a recount of the, look at that. Is that right, folks? He's having a hard time fighting that one too. But I'm seeing that this has picked up a yaw in the wind. I gotta read the directions on how to calibrate the gyros. But I was fighting the wind there for a second until I had that crash. Now I gotta calibrate the gyros again. So I'm gonna call it quits for today. But I think I did demonstrate that this can fight the wind. You just got to be able to remember how to recalibrate the gyros if you crash it. Okay, Quadcopter 101, signing out.